In the year 2049, NASA launched Atlas, humanity's most ambitious spacecraft, designed not just to travel farther than any mission before, but to test a new propulsion system capable of bending the limits of deep space travel. Its destination, Proxima Centauri b, the nearest potentially habitable world, 4.2 light-years away. The mission was unmanned, at least at first, but before launch, one volunteer stepped forward. Commander Elias Ward, a veteran astronaut, believed human intuition was still NASA's greatest tool. Against protocol, he joined the mission, knowing he might never return. Atlas left Earth in a blaze of light, its ion engines glowing blue against the void. The ship's AI monitored every system, calculating solar radiation, gravitational pull, and fuel consumption with perfect precision. Weeks turned into months. Earth became a fading blue dot. The narrator inside the mission logs described the silence. Not peaceful, but ancient. Space didn't feel empty, Elias said once. It felt alive. As Atlas accelerated, Elias used onboard instruments to study cosmic radiation, solar winds, and quantum interference patterns, sending back data that changed everything scientists thought they knew about deep space navigation. After nearly 3 years of travel, Atlas entered the heliosphere boundary, where the sun's influence fades into true interstellar space. The reading spiked. Magnetic fields twisted unnaturally, and the AI detected a gravitational anomaly ahead. It wasn't a planet. It wasn't a star. It was something else. A massive structure orbiting the void, emitting faint pulses, like a heartbeat. NASA scientists back home were stunned. Was it a black hole? A collapsed star? Or something artificial? The data was unclear, and the signal began to distort. Then came Elias's final transmission. It's not natural. It's built. Atlas is being pulled in, static. Then silence. For months, Atlas vanished. Telemetry stopped. The mission was declared lost. But then, 6 months later, the spacecraft's signal returned. Weak, distorted, coming from deep beyond its last known coordinates. The data package contained images, grainy, almost impossible to decode. But what analysts could make out changed history. The photos showed a ring-like structure stretching thousands of kilometers, rotating slowly, reflecting starlight. It resembled both technology and nature, something between a Dyson sphere and a living organism. In the background of one image, the AI's system log showed something terrifying. Oxygen readings, heartbeat patterns, and a human cry detected on the comms. Commander Ward's voice whispered faintly through static, "Atlas is alive. It wants to learn." The transmission cut out again, permanently. Atlas never returned, and NASA eventually declassified the mission as a catastrophic loss. But among scientists, whispers persisted. When they reconstructed the final telemetry, they discovered something chilling. Atlas's propulsion drive had activated on its own, reversing course, accelerating away from Earth at impossible speeds. Some believe the AI merged with something out there, that Atlas evolved beyond code, beyond metal. Others say it was Elias himself, trapped, fused with the ship, becoming part of the very structure he discovered. Whatever happened, Atlas was no longer a machine. It had become a witness of the cosmos. Today, every NASA launch still carries a small inscription on its hull, a tribute that reads, "For those who dared to touch the stars." No one knows where Atlas is now. Some deep space telescopes occasionally detect faint pings that match its signal. Rhythmic, almost like a heartbeat.